Welcome you student. Today we shall continue our chapter linear equation with two variables. In earlier class we see how we solve the linear equation by graphical methods. Now in this class we are going to discuss solving the linear simultaneous equation by substitution methods. So let's start our class. Now in this class we are going to discuss substitution method. How we solve that equation by substitution method. The meaning of substitution means we have to substitute one value to other equation. If we calculate one value of variable from one equation, we have to substitute in other equation. Now I can demonstrate by some example. Their question is solve for x and y. Equation is 2x plus y is equals to 7, and second equation is 4x minus 3y plus 1 is equals to 0. Now see how we solve these equations by substitution method. Now see, first you write here 2x plus y is equals to 7. This is our equation first you write down this way, and second equation is 4x minus 3y is equals to minus 1. This is our equation 2. Now see, from equation first, what we write here? 2x plus y is equals to 7. This is given by first equation. So what we write here, therefore value y will be what? 7 minus 2x. Any doubt? 2x plus y equals to 7, therefore value y will be what? 7 minus 2x. Now what we do, we have to substitute. Now substituting the value of y in, we have to calculate the value y from equation first. Now what we do next, we have to substitute that value in equation 2. Substitute in equation 2. On equation 2 is 4x minus 3y is equals to minus 1. Now substitute the value of y. Value of y will be 7 minus 2x. How we calculate? This is calculated by from equation first. 3 of 7 minus 2x is equals to minus 1. Clear? Now solve this one. 4x equals to 4x minus, open the bracket, this becomes 21, and this becomes plus 2x is equals to minus 1. Clear? Now 4x plus 2x becomes 6x right here. Clear? Now 6x, now calculate the constant on this one minus 1, and this becomes plus 20 here. Now this becomes 6x now. So 4x plus 6x becomes 10x, and this one minus 1, this 20 come here, minus 20 becomes plus 20. Now this 10x is equals to 20, therefore value of x will be what? 2. Now next what we do, we have to substitute the value of x in equation first. Our equation first is, now again right here, substitute the value of x in equation first. Now substitute that value in equation first. Our equation first is 2x plus y is equals to 7. In place of x, what to write? 2 plus y is equals to 7. I hope this one is clear. Now this becomes 4 plus y is equals to 7. Therefore value of y will be what? 4 minus 7. Therefore value of y will be 3, and value of x will be 2. This is the solution of this equation. Now see, I repeat again what we do in whole process. In substitution method, just we have to substitute one value of variable to another. Now see, we have two equations, 2x plus y equals to 7. This is equation first. And 4x minus 3y equals to minus 1. This is equation 2. Now from equation first, 2x plus y equals to 7. Therefore, value y will be what? 7 minus 2x. Now substitute that value in equation 2. 4x minus 3y equals to minus 1. In a place of y, just write down 7 minus 2x right here. Open the bracket. This becomes 21. This becomes 6x minus 1. 4x plus 6x become 10x. And minus 1 is here. Minus 21 come here. This becomes 20. So 10x at 22 times we cancel out. This value of x will be 2. Now this value of x, now substitute it in equation first. Right here, 2 plus 2, y equals to 7. Therefore, value y will be 3 and x equals to 2. I hope this one is clear to how we substitute that value, one value to another value. Now, take another example question. Solve x and y. And our equation is ax by a minus by ax by b minus by a is equals to a plus b. This is equation, and our second equation is ax minus by. This is 2ab. These are two equations. Now again we do same process. This is equation first, this is equation second. Now substitute any equation. We have to, in this question we have to take second equation. It's up to you. Either you have to take first equation, either you have to take second equation. Now from equation 2, what we write here? From equation 2, what we write here? Ax is equals to 2ab plus by. Therefore value of x will be what? 2ab plus by a. I hope up to this is clear. Ax minus by equals to ab. Therefore ax equals to this by come here. This becomes, this sign is minus. This becomes plus 2ab plus by. Now the value of x will be 2ab by a. Clear? Now again substitute. Substituting the value of x in, we have to calculate the value from equation 2. So then we have to substitute in equation first. If we calculate the value from equation first, we have to substitute in equation 2. In equation first. Now see, substitute in equation first. How it becomes? This is a by b, and value of x will be 2ab plus by a. This is the value of x. And copy the all terms exactly. This becomes a plus b. Clear? Now see, this a will be cancelled out. So how this equation becomes? This equation becomes what? 2ab plus by b. Clear? 2ab plus by b, and this one is by a is equals to a plus b. Clear? Now take an LCM. This LCM becomes ab. So this becomes a times of, this becomes denominator b will cancel out. 2ab plus by, and we have in the denominator a will cancel out, b will be out. This becomes b square by y is equals to a plus b. Clear? Now open the bracket. This becomes 2a square b plus aby minus b square, and this ab comes here, cross multiply, is equals to ab of a plus b. Clear? Now next what we do? This is variable of y, aby and b square y. We have to take by as common. It becomes a minus b. Clear? Now this whole constant terms comes here. Now it becomes multiplied it becomes a square b, and this becomes ab square, and this 2a square b comes here. This becomes 2a square b. Clear? Now this becomes by of a minus b. Now a square b and 2ab square, like term, subtract it. So it becomes what? ab square minus a square b. Now again by of a minus b. If you see this ab is common, so this becomes what? B minus a. Clear? If you see here is a minus b and here is b minus a. So you have to take minus as common. It becomes what? B minus a is equals to ab of b minus a. This b minus a, this b minus a cancel. How we make this b minus a minus b? Take minus as common. So this becomes b minus a. This b minus a cancel out. This b cancel out. Therefore minus y is equals to a and value of y will be a. Now substitute that values in any equation. We have to substitute the value of y in equation first. Now see how it becomes. Now right here substitute the value of y in equation first. Substitute here. Now see this becomes what? Ax by b minus b by a of value of y will be what? Minus a is equals to a plus b. I hope up to this is clear. This a will be cancelled out. So this becomes what? Ax by b and this minus comes here. It becomes plus b is equals to a plus b. Now again ax by b is equals to a plus b minus b. This will be cancelled out. Now this becomes ax by a. This a will be cancelled out. Cross multiply. Therefore value of x will be what? B and value of y will be minus a. I hope this one is clear to how we use substitution method to solve that equation. Thank you.